In this video, i-review natin tong GV backpack model EA104B Easy Range Rucksack 22 liters. Available ito sa Motoworld for around 3,500 pesos. I've been using this for a few months already as my daily commute backpack. This is 17 liters pero kung i-expand natin dito sa baba, abot siya up to 24 liters. So to expand, gaganon mo lang, open mo lang siya. What if kung umulan habang nagmamotor tayo? This bag features a waterproof na rain cover. So let's say umulan, tatabi nyo ng motor nyo, tapos ibababa nyo lang to. Or kung nakita nyo medyo makulimlim na, pwede nyo nang agad ikabit to. So to install this, very easy lang naman. May nakikita tayong strap dito. Iikot nyo lang siya dito sa likod, dito. May nakita tayong loop dito. Ilulup nyo lang dyan. May tigdalawang strap. Ilulup nyo lang ulit siya dito. Yung mga colors dito, this is reflectors naman yan. That is a very good integration din. So one of the features that I really like sa bag na to would be the helmet carrying pouch dito sa baba. So let's say, pupunta kayong mall or kailangan nyo nang dalhin yung helmet nyo. So to demonstrate, I have a sample helmet here. Full face. Kakabit natin. This one. So dito mo siya i-hook. So for the other sides, kabila, here, try nating suotin. Safe, since nakahook naman siya. Sa loob ng backpack, again, 17 liters, expandable to 22. Basically, ganun lang din itsura niya. Pero most importantly, meron kasi tayong laptop compartment. This is my 14-inch. Kasya pa. Marami pang siyang space. Up to 15-inch feel ko kaya pa yan. Meron pa tayong ilang pockets dito eh. Isang divider. Tapos meron tayong dito sa harap may isang mesh tayo. Waist strap, chest strap. For safety. May zipper tayo dito sa gilid, no? Kung napapansin nyo. Pwede nyo rin lagyan ng gamit. Pero maliit lang siya. So there you guys have it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.